All right, you guys want to stand up and watch this part?
Yep.
All right.
I can see from here.
You can see from there? Okay, ready?
Maybe. And then you're gonna spread it out.
Yep. It's already kind of spreading out for me. Now this is the part that kids don't do, okay?
Oh, what is that?
It's a torch. It pops the air bubbles, so that way
It looks pretty.
they don't pop later on.
That's not a toy for kids.
It's definitely not a toy for kids, because you
Hi.
could set something on fire.
Why did you put it on a black canvas?
Because this canvas was getting painted over.
Maybe I sell this one.
If it comes out nice, I am.
That looks beautiful. And let me guess, you're gonna use a blow dryer?
No, not this time.
When are you gonna do the marble ones?
I did do a marble one. It was a mess. It was
This is so messy.
huge, huge mess.
When was it?
It was a little while ago. Look at the
Cherish
gold.
the messy painter. This
Yep.
is really messy.
Yes.
Cherish the messy painter. This
Look
is
at the
really
gold.
messy. That looks so pretty. Ooh. I like the sides. They're like so pretty. Yeah, you're definitely gonna have to sell that one. Hi. How long does it take to edit it?
Sometimes an hour. So what do you think?
That's pretty.
Leave it alone?
Cool.
So what I'm going to do is see this ring right here? I like it a lot. So I'm going to see if I can get it to come down more.
I can see a lot of gold. That's pretty.
So what do you think? It's kind of cool, huh?
Yep.
It kind of reminds me of like carnival colors. Look, there's more coming up over
it looks
here.
like the sunset and the ocean.